Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of maintenance apprenticeship programs and why they could be a game changer for your organization. We'll hear firsthand from April Johnson, an experienced engineering and maintenance manager at PepsiCo, who will be sharing her insights and practical tips on how to successfully implement these programs. So whether you're looking to train new talent or strengthen your existing team, this video is for you. Let's delve in. Are you looking to train fresh talent in your organization? Well, nothing beats on-the-job training. It not only helps young individuals determine if they've chosen the right career path, but also allows employers to evaluate whether these individuals would be suitable for long-term roles. Take it from April Johnson from PepsiCo. She recently collaborated with a local trade school in California to create a maintenance apprenticeship program. And she has some valuable advice for those of you who are interested in starting a similar initiative in your own organizations. First up, don't forget to involve your mechanics. They are the ones who will be training and teaching your apprentices. So, it's crucial to invite their input and suggestions throughout the program development process. Next, focus on building relationships. When you connect with a trade school or high school vocational program, it's important to establish a personal contact. Having a champion in your business and another one at the school creates a channel where both parties can exchange feedback about the student's performance and experiences. Now let's talk about interviews. Even though the on-the-job training experience is crucial for the chosen apprentices, you also have the opportunity to provide real-life interview and screening test opportunities for a much larger group of students during the selection process. Once you've selected your apprentices, make sure you allocate time for basic training. This should cover how to use simple hand tools and power tools, a crash course on manufacturing, maintenance, and your specific industry. Discuss what is expected of them, how they should interact with the mechanics and the team, and the importance of asking questions. Safety should always come first. So, before starting hands-on tasks, make sure there's a focus on safety policy and procedure. Try to balance theoretical learning with on-the-job observations and then gradually progress to hands-on tasks over time. Many programs have some type of competency test before moving on to the next area. Feedback is a two-way street. Just like 360-degree feedback is beneficial in working with your permanent staff or outside consultants. These sessions will provide excellent opportunities to gather feedback on your maintenance apprenticeship programs as well as a channel to guide and develop your students. Encourage your apprentices to ask questions, take notes regularly, be open to feedback, and not be afraid to try things out. Lastly, teach your apprentices to network. One of the biggest advantages of any apprenticeship program is the relationships that are built. Ensure that each apprentice not only has a main supervisor or mentor, but also gets the opportunity to meet and work with different individuals throughout your organization. Establishing a maintenance apprenticeship program for your organization can be a fantastic investment and set up an effective, long-term stream of young talent coming to your company. If you can provide a great learning experience, your apprentices will naturally market your program to younger students and others in the community. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your apprenticeship program today. Thank you for watching. Today we've discussed the importance of maintenance apprenticeship programs, the benefits of on-the-job training, and how to implement these programs successfully. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. We appreciate your time and hope to see you soon.